since you be Benin, you go fit take half plot of land. That kind half plot of... Una good morning, una good afternoon, and good evening, my people. Na me, Irabo of Verona Tafia Talk Show. Now they talk to una. How una dey? For some days now, many people they send me videos of about one woman where she says she deport herself from Verona go to Nigeria. I dey see many people they comment, but no one get to ask the girl make she tell them the lady the true story. This girl matter, I dey inside. Na Verona na I dey. Many years ago, project come na Europe project, not be only Verona project, that people wey you know say they tired to stay Italy, they fit go home, they go assist them go home, give them money.
My people, now good evening. Make una share the video, make it go viral. Make una not vex say I no query reach today. Now walk my country people. This our Benin sister when he come out, can't tell us say his husband dey for Europe where he bought for Pikin for. My people, make una share the video first. Make una press our shop. Make una press our shop. Make una share the video, make una press our shop. Make una not first say I no query reach today. Make una press our shop. They say something not good. They talk and say something not good. Wanna share the video, make it go viral. Make una help me share the video before we start. Make una share the video, make una press our shop. People waiting for Tinto, make una press our shop. Una good evening to Tubu people, Tubu people, whether they call YouTube, una good evening. Facebook, una good evening, make una share am. Sometimes they say mama they know wetin dey worry Pikin. Now mama they drop Pikin go back. Not be all people when we worry their Pikin. Now they take drop Pikin go back. Sometimes mama they take care they drop Pikin go back. May God not let mama when he born us tear and draw us go back. How they take drop Pikin go back? Some of this mama, they believe of this their kwekus. This their kwekus, now they put them for trouble. But anyway, you must see the end of this matter. You see the cause for their body. Before we will start this evening, one first share this video to somebody. One first share this video to somebody. One share this video to somebody first. One share this video to somebody first. Then I'll come play this video for now. This video when I want to play for now. So this our sister. We cry come out for a platform. We talk say. When you want judge, they say, me good me mama, they talk truth. They say the truth has set us free. Sometimes, because of lie where you talk, or with the way you take judge to people, they not go help you again. They say, mama, it good. Me bad mama no born Pikin. A bad mama born Pikin, he go teach the children bad thing. Now, I just they make reference. So I just they make reference. Not be say I dey talk say this woman bad now. But anyway, make una call people come. More come listen to this woman first before we will start this evening. Make una come. I know say people una dey 14 to many of una go come judge. Many of una come talk the truth. Who be this one this early morning? When I look the person. If you want me, send me request again, but not banana. Not banana, you take send me request, you send me request again. The character for some of our women for Europe here, women are not the feel they talk to them. Women are not the feel they talk to them. Now they make them they go kaga. They'll come teach the children bad thing. My people, story when I don't hear today, sometimes if they when man stand for your life, you want to tell the man say you too know. The man, he will start to treat you anyhow. If man stand for your life, if man stand for your life as a woman, remember the time when the man they do good for you. If you want to do say now you be woman, you too know. Now then they discourage the man when you marry to. You discourage them, the house go come be beyond repair, no, they don't feel repair the house again. If I tell them, I say this our sister, they are more ways scatter a house. No go believe. This our sister who na the see so. We cry come out for those days say they deport her in go house. They want collect Pikin for his hand. Now be the lie when he can't tell us. Say they want collect Pikin for his hand. We know say people we know and they for they see they for alive. Say they want collect children for his hand. Now be the story we can give. And then this woman is saying they go church. Tell me the time where people when they go church they'll still know how to talk truth. Some of them, not be all of them. Oh. He's saying they go church. Oh. Yesterday when I call him, a Pikin say they go church. Yesterday night be Thursday. I know see me I did live video, they ask a question. But when I call him again, say Pikin say they go church. They say cocoyam go good. It dey for the person hand when he get the cocoyam. When I ask question about this man, today people coming for Verona, I get fans for the whole world. I know we are not get fans. Some of these people wait there for Verona, we don't go to London. Many of them coming today. Where this woman get accident, when he get accident, when he jump for 4 stories, now this boy put him for house. This boy, but when something done the good, this boy na Agbo boy, not be Igbo boy. When something done the good, this woman not remember those one again who start to behave anyhow for inside the house. Some of these women, now they make marry the tired man. When the man go run come out, they'll come talk say, the man no good, the man no good. They'll come they talk like so beat now they beat them. This woman they talk to me yesterday. He said when he did the marriage, he be like saying he did for. I don't know as he talk the word yesterday. Mothers make una they talk truth. If man treat una bad, mona just say na so man treat una bad. But wait till I know say no apple mothers. Mona no they talk and mona take gain favor for people. Or mona take spoiling our children's minds. So anyway, when mama come out, many people call me for Verona today. They tell me the history of this woman. But wait till I want beg una way big woman. The way man take carry una the first time, Muna did submissive to that man like that. When man just start to do see una for wayo, the man they change character. But when you break waist, break leg, the way this man they take care of you. Now, you want to judge to the world. You say social want collect Pikin for you. Now you carry Pikin go house. Say the man where you born for not get paper. You not get paper. Three not get paper. Then they give person 6 months paper for that Italy. 6 months paper where they give you with your husband. Una not fit take and work. They collect them from una. Una history, they don't tell me everything today. Not be that one we did now. Many people talk to me. Our mom, one of our old mama, where they go follow social for Italy. I see the video when he do. More could listen to the video where this our mama do before we start to talk. More could listen carefully. I believe say this woman will talk to now one of the best mother for Europe. Because one word when he say he take Oyibo, social say, make they call this woman husband. For our tradition, now man and woman they do something together, not be only woman. Una go hear what this our sister talk am. This our now our mama not be our sister, our mama. This one not be like all those the day where they do God mother with the spoil house. Many the day where they do God mother with the spoil house. They know the house from the man, they go the judge, they go the spoil person house. But this woman talk and say, if find the husband number, he see call the husband, you know whether your wife they go house, you want collect money, they go house. Woman where they talk say, waiting the talk, now go reach for house. There's no time when that woman till they get peace for life. Woman where they talk say, Emily may tap up and say, there's no time when the woman till they get peace. Who they cry today? Now the woman they cry with his daughters when he born. Because of money we not reach money. Because of money we not reach money. But if he did for Europe since 2013, he not go house. Maybe life for that better. If as you take on Europe not better, get the belief say it go better before your old age. Everybody not be the same. People they will go come Europe today. Under 6 months go come make am. But if your time over reach, no take wadu they do am. That's why they sing and for sing. I'm a rocker, I'm a unweken. Usanira giamere no man. Our sisters now, nowadays, when they go to compare another man with their husband for his house, they go to compare another man with their husband for his house. The day when you as a woman, they compare another man with your husband, now that day you buy the man where you born for, now that day you destroy his spirit. Now that day you destroy the man's spirit. You as a young ones when they come, one are not describe another man with, say, go see that man. You take and they describe your husband. But anyway, move I play this audio before I get what I want to talk if I want to talk. No plan. No listen to our mama. We the world follow social for Italy. If they see better mama like this, the life for not hard. But some of the godmother what would they say for Europe today, they know they confirm from man, they go the judge. But anyway, my country people, una good evening. More listen to this our mama carefully before we get what you will talk. I think all this woman whether you carry my phone. Not because of the woman, we want to do help for the children. Now because of the children, now we want to do help. If anybody want to help, this woman don't error. Some of the error with some of our sisters, the error for Europe today, where they not take it for husband house, where they take destroy their house, and where they don't complete 50 years. Now that time they know the tears where they come out for their eye. You will call it hot like water where they take make per the yarn. As they young now, another man wey want destroy their life finish, they toast them for back. If they tell the sweet word, this is a better man. Some of them go leave their husband. He don't read it. Maybe he don't read the time when the house wanted better. The woman go take and spoil the house. Many women like that for Europe, they'll take and spoil the house. Although my papa tell me, say, this set of people, now waiting not good, neither they see them. My papa tell me, say, if something want good, neither they destroy house. It be like person they work. Person go start. It go they work. Before they come get and fake up. Now so marriage they be. Before they come get and life fake up for work. Now so marriage they be. You don't feel especially married to them, marriage just the sweet. You must pass through battle before the marriage go balance. But when they pass you through this battle, now there this our sisters, they go they carry their own husband matter or their boyfriend, they'll go they give the man where they friend. The man will use it as a wicked point to hold all this our sister. Does this thing and the man be better man? But anyway, we'll go straight to the point we'll come for today. Now, good evening, my people. We not lose to this our sister. This our sister, we deport, we go meet police or social because of money. I'll have a big equal bon. If I to open a doors the enter. If I to open now doors the enter. Many people call me. As far to people where they get that day, when they go out sometimes, some go. They even quarrel with and say, before this woman they go out, you not tell anybody. Now inside church, if for do Thanksgiving saying they go out, they break it, come on, go out. But today, who they cry? Who they cry? Now this woman, they thought if you want help me, help her. You don't give anybody money. If they want help you now because of the children, they want help you, not because of you. They say that they pray, make bad mama. I know say not before your fault. Now one of your sister where you promise. You know say I dey talk the first day. I say your husband don't born 3 pikin. I don't know am. Hello, blogger. How are you? How about the Dorish house? Are you the haters? Ma? Okay, listen, now I want to talk. So, the woman not get character, don't know how to talk, Abi?
She knows a bit talk.
Okay.
She knows a bit talk. I listened to the live video 2 days ago. You do that live video. I listened to her yesterday. I'm going to listen to her yesterday night. She knows a bit talk. And if no one help me, she knows a bit beg. Understand? You when they find something, and your hand is supposed to long pass. You when they find something, the way frustrate for Nigeria. How can you tell me you don't spend that many years for Europe? You carry your bag from Italy. You don't see another Europe country where you travel go. You go see na Nigeria now you want to go. You don't go see and say like
Listen. When I talk the first day, I say your husband don't born 3 pikin. Of which I don't know one. Not truth. One of his sister, we thought it never better for him for Europe. He promised his sister saying go carry enter Europe. Here we no wake kanji. Now his sister draw and go also.
Okay, my sister can drink was okay, no put her like that. But she herself, she not get character. That's not true.
Okay, Mama, wait first when I first play the audio when I want to play first.
All right, when no you learn, make you learn. Understand? Nobody, she not the one anybody want. Nobody don't want money. Understand? By force. So, Mama see.
Omodiane ni kakpe audio ni oni pe de ikesu an gbengbo ko na. Okay, where's it? So, my people, as we talk and they go, more listen to this audio. More listen to this our mama waiting for Italy. You know, say, If this woman come judge us now, they'll say my husband, not be bad person. I don't see him, but your husband did bad. Why your husband did bad? You know they take off your own children when they born for her. The very day when this woman they enter plane, they go Nigeria. Now this man carry woman at her house. Now this man carry woman at her house. Now the woman in with her see this thing. Now they see this today. The woman I bought 3 Pikin for her today. Because no nyakman got it masome. No manya ogwe or elawa. Because this our Benin sister call it husband. Say oh magmo. But anyway, more listen to this our mama. My do people. There's only one person know the born Pikin. These children tomorrow, it get where they foresee airports. Maybe our old age. It will the crossroad, just now we don't want crossroad when they'll take us crossroad. So I love Pikin where those say the woman will born for me and a bad woman will destroy the heart of my children. But I love children where. I don't wish maybe I won't be like that before because of bad women, like this type of woman. What would they see for here today? Different people don't come in, they don't tell me the side of the man. Only say the man, they know you see truth for a month. I don't say why they know you see truth for a month. We go they promise the children, go they promise they not go give them money because he don't carry another responsibility for Europe. Where woman they born 3 Pikin for her. 6 woman don't first born 4 Pikin for her. The woman decide to go. Another responsibility when he carry again, he don't get 3 Pikin. He not feed 3 Pikin, pay her strength, make him meet up for us. Now so why you go they tell these people for house. Now so why you go they tell them. But anyway, the way they pay me for hearts, I be man when he love children. If you with woman they quarrel, not be with the children they quarrel. The years when I not get paper, now not go give the children we did that side money. But the one we did with me for a year, I they pay our strength 400 I they feed them. For 9 years, I they pay 400 euro for house, I they feed them. But when I don't get my document, I don't start to work. The money where I go, they give, they not be their mama home. Now they are pocket money every month. I'll say take 100, take 100, take 100. Maybe if I don't marry just now, I don't born, the money not go reach like that again. Maybe if I fix 50 euro, I go 50 euro, I go give them. I must take off the Pikin way for year first. Take off the woman when I want marry first. And nobody will fit talk say why you go born. Nobody will fit talk on that time. At my old age, I go get Pikin we go stay with me for house. All the one when I don't born, they don't grow. I know say woman, Pikin way woman train, they train them badly. A daughter when I know. Now because I know they boy since then I not marry. Now when I don't the boy and they come, need to marry. So with the pray more not get this type of bad women. If you be man, may you pray. Woman wait say now in they talk with it they reach for house. Now the way they take the end, now be this one. Woman will know they put solution for table or table in with man talk. Now the way they take the end now be this. Look, most of our sisters the way they take end today. If they go check their psychological background, they may they sit down, may they check. If they'll come say the truth, you'll see many of them come say the truth, say now they spoil their house. They can't tell with the truth, say now they spoil their house. But anyway, more listen to our sisters. Now yeah, blogger, if you don't want cut video, now you know first start to cut video. I want listen to this video before I send message to this woman. But my do people, I go see beg una. Mothers way don't they born. Fathers way don't they born. We know the value of Pikin. Who get help? May give the children. Who get help? May give the children. More listen to this our sister. More listen carefully. Who get help?
Money, open activities for them where they go they do if they go home. So one day, me with them social, we get appointments. We many where they there. I can't say this lady come out. So they first mention her name. I don't know her because me know her as Beauty or Mama Faith. So when they come, they talk say she there among people where they need the assistant to go home. Now I can't tell this girl say come Nigeria where you they go. It no be as it be where you first do. You get children to go home with children. It they had. I can't ask her where's your husband. He said make I remove your husband for this matter.
Una hear wetin this our mama with the work follow social. They tell her. Not be say this woman advise this woman. Where they cry saying they deport and go house. Say social want collect the Pikin for hand. Now the story where they can't tell the whole world. Say social want collect Pikin for hand. May they not collect Pikin for hand. Now me can carry the children go house. But woman where they work follow social. When he advises our sister. If you ask and say where your husband. He say may remove your husband for this one. No nyakpaga tok masome we no ya dey na ho. Any woman will not respect her husband. Now their life take the end. Now be this one. This one is example to the world. Any woman where they condemn her husband for her side. Now their life take the end. Now be this one. You with man dey for house. You want go meet social media, give him money. May take go house. A grandmother when you meet for social now, they tell you say, where your husband. You say may remove your husband from this one. If the man say you not go bring money today for una, I don't feel blame her. If the man not take off the children, I go blame her. But another way, I don't feel blame her. Because here we job mama of Pikin, now the cost waiting the draw Pikin go back. I know say not be your high. Your sister when you promise, say you go carry and enter Europe. Inside there, you can't get injury. Man can't put you for house. Man can't put you for house. It like be like the first day when I did tell you this, madam. I say your husband don't bought 3 Pikin. People listen and lie they talk. I say na do woman marry. They say na people they come and say na Igbo woman. I say na do woman. Agbo woman na do woman. It's just like when I did tell you say na sister draw you go back home. Ona vie mi your no ene. So more listen to our mama now. You hear what now you for him that just now. He say may remove your husband from this one. Wanna listen.
Now I can't tell the social so we did the same. For our culture, now man and woman like they born children. And as this woman
una hear this our mama now. Social now the world follow, but it tells social say 13 years ago now it tells social. Say for our culture, now man and woman now they born Pikin. Because of social benefits. Now only woman they born Pikin for Europe now. They know they respect the man. We give them belly. Where they born for. They will drive and put for streets. They'll say that they chop money, they chop single mother money. At the end, you people are going to die and suffer. Who will suffer? You people better deviate now as soon as they do. Some women now go day, they don't let Pikin greet the papa because of social benefits. Okay, who are got your money, when a woman have your money now, who are son a bio. If you be that kind of woman, now deviate away from it. I see one today, 14th up. The man they find woman, they want match and up. He see the talk like saying I want Pikin get for house. Whereas woman born twins for him. Person will know the woman can't come out. As he can't come out. If he say they get that woman now, if he don't deceive that woman saying I want Pikin get to man, more kuna the thought truth. As he did for man, he now did for woman. More come that one first. Another the topic I also want to try for say here. Una more listen to our sister now. Una hear now. He say for our culture, now man and woman they born Pikin. But many of these women, once social door they tell they say they want to start to give them money, they go drive their husband come up for house. Their husband go prepare for them, make they go Germany, make they go other country, when they reach that side. If the man even consider themselves, they don't let the man enter the house. Some of these women. But more listen to our mama now. Mama, he say for our culture.
Get children, so Mona invite the husband. Ask the husband if he supports me.
Now, this woman can't talk. Stay social, may they invite the husband. May the husband can't talk. No listen. No listen.
Carry the children, go home. This woman say he don't want me to invite her husband. I say okay.
When I see the woman with the answer
question. Because there another day again.
When I see the woman with the answer question.
They come call.
What woman?
Make I come help them translate to this girl.
Una see her.
Wetin the project be. I explain.
He say make the call. He say his husband not go green no. Now we want to blame the man. Now una say they blame the man say not take off the woman for house. Where this woman high open for money. He high open for money. We not reach money. He go tell social say he want go ask. They say even rent ask for this woman for Lagos. He go carry 12 his brother. Can't jump body way never balance for Lagos. The same way he promised his sister way he draw and go back today. Say he go carry and enter Europe. Today what that or two brother way he carry go stay for Lagos now, madam. Wait there now. They see they with your children now. They see they with you now. They don't find their way. So more money when they carry give you now, when you take care of children for house, you go carry all that body come. You can't feast. You're not going to feast 7 people. How the market want to grow? How the market want to grow? Oh, listen.
Everything. The project now say you no want stay Italy again. If you get document, you go even submit and give them. Then, because those people don't first assist some people, where be say them if they reach where they go, they misuse their the money they give them. The Italian government can't get people for Lagos. Reverend sisters they in charge. Where be say they go give that money to. They go put the person for house, train her for one activity where you want learn. After you don't learn that activity, they go open.
Hello, Atiti.
Hello, call ye, Anna here.
Okay. We are not so noisy. And go back one way, maybe months around we analyze.
What would I read? Eh? Ah, we might not have a president, make a president one down for him. Oh, plenty on my down, hold on, madam.
way.
Say,
understand? Just way a little different. No. We thank God where your children in a better place and your wife, your ex-wife is in a better place. The only way the reverse is the case when no Hunaji. Then the case of Hunaya, the idea of your day, where do I pay? Or about on them more about I tell you no soon. Okay, imagine Okupio me hanu be a permane anyway or here. Udege na we hope yana baro wow. Maybe only see anyway. You've always been a greedy woman, self-centered woman.
Yes.
That's the truth.
Yes.
You understand the way my brother because when they get like when they do any money and you get a money fee. If I throw him out, you better have a pay or maybe you keep it to yourself. Or if then after 13 years, about with so okay, no then I was watching a when apology you will name on that point. What that way I get the video or one in my email. Oh yeah, you say pray not to pay more and not to pay more. Marital one might be nika way, maybe ya way, ya to know ya power de more. Oh, we have to mark ya. Rotten no look at how we could do.
Oh, we go back, Bono, of Yagbo. Here, but we are read. I do a man with money, and I be money. Message be money.
Okay, for example, now, okay, we're first and foremost, a naira of your mom, when you feel money, but without that man consent. So, why when the money get living like a nigga move on? Oh, if I move on like a no man frustrated me.
Yeah, where the work bar, yeah, where the knock bar, at the no work bar, open who not in none of your man, and I know whether what he had you.
Because already on the look one in every year. Already the one I work bar, there is also a work we okay, according to the other lady in the no we are Verona no is social. Would they will only tie where a no ya look where a have money by another where Bonnie and another come here where a can day Africa or Yaropo or Duane or no Rick Bomo. So a dog by my yak,
no.
That's only here so everyone of the little one because that's all
women no hije women no hije okpiana mudia dagbon una unga ha mo kpianu wu egbe okpiana o fe ko forget we kerekere okemi won gba lo kan egono ko na bun ekun na ro to kakan yan we bo ena ga mu hospital mu ye ya but emi ye ga mane o ko na da acclaim odunga yan we ba ni emo ko na suka ona kan bo eni.
We shouldn't be looking at the surface. Sometimes let us use our imagination to dig deep where even I can do 7 and a what I to do 7 and a without what Iama wa hiore overnight ezoma was when the doctor orotoni ikwasena ya rotoni ekiago masoma rotoni uwe waje mani ya biele uwe take over as a spend dono okay after 13 years okay so like let's assume we came look unaga ari eni yana do money do you take unaga to piani there
for where o ma ri efo ejeni wa se jem ni ejero yan ri opia we la wa oswa efo oswa agbala ka fo a
I will still say one thing where Nigeria get only more when I get you for the more why because the money you give up in Yakba. The money more pay and I no you will you but when all the money.
So oh, remember when the man with your boy, ije mommy, remember when the man with your boy the money, but okuna only made done.
When the boy when next time we have I saw I've been following you.
Yes.
I saw it.
When Obama say, he had again more than dinner.
I like that. That come my senior got time where when Obama say so which is good. So sometimes a story of Puna in my time where Nevami no Gavin Lieutenant near Yale. You know, near Yale where area country got a creed or logo team a creed of
any of the greedy logo with border for any okay, ma near your man.
A greedy log here, Mao, in one way, a way boy, in a way for laundry. I want to open a child when you are you to boy, or I go not in here. Even your team out, even your team out.
Era me where our baby equal bomoyo.
Even you Atiti and Baba. Now, when I hear here, or when we want 100,000 euro, why I invest? My brother, woman, you were never know where you toy. In another 2 years, you are bankrupt already, and you will be thinking of running back. That's the truth. That's the mistake people are making that they don't know. Africa is no longer the Africa they left years ago. No, Africa is not like that anymore. And the family where you are coming from, that you left years ago, going back to Nigeria, those family, you are a stranger to them. When you were not you were already fear, even enough for you on your own. So people in abroad should know that. So I don't get my brother. Thank God what we are wearing. No, no problem. Obiani was there. So I don't know where excuse me.
It's a wicked woman, dangerous woman. We pray for a man not to jump this type of woman.
How wicked can you be?
You understand me? Iya bumveri owe webo. Iya bumveri owe webo. Women no temata mayana mo madan. Owo me wa po.
All right, okay.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you. More listen to our mama.
Activity for them. Some people say they won't learn sewing. They will come buy machines, give them, open stuff for them. Now see, they say this lady get children. The money where they that project, it not go reach the lady to do anything.
This our mama now where they work follow social. You see the test social say this woman get children. The money we dey for that budget, you know, read this lady they do anything. And this our mama they advise this our sister we cry comment, we can't tell us lie say the social one collect a Pikin. He not tell us the exactly truth too. And this woman saying a Christian, saying they go church. Make her uwe church as in buwo also buwo. A church e wo ko ye gbawo dey man gi we no wo iyan wa titi no. Iyan wa titi no. E je agbeyan ya fi Bible. Atiti no ma ye church awe esun wa titi kin. Ani ka titi won ase man ye church now. Can you imagine? This his husband talk yesterday. He said na church na destroy house. A church of one more area. If you not listen to the word where his husband talked yesterday, he said that church destroy a house. A great pastor about preaching the church in a pastor fine boy. Again, Italy, a pastor na me wodo. Iyan ba be bossa say a Versace ne. Oh, why preach water? Oh wait, be some mystic. Be some mystic on you, but that carry. Maybe a huna where we are a pastor by your dabi. Other fine what? But maybe the church in the church, fake church in that this.
Hello, Atiti.
Ma.
Otimana wa de gbegwe no ya so what 13 years of year now. The money don't is the money ya to a family demand.
Okay, I know. Okay, ma, what's a good question? Me auntie, but we can't done. It will cut be a video no kuna we will cut be kiti eh.
No do if the money ya me family ni akele. Understand?
Yeah, no. What's it? Move the go, move plan. We'll stop with the plan, we'll stop with the analyze on. We'll stop with the talk with it our mind.
He said this beauty so can say na Lagos she won't stay. Now I say my sister, money where they want to.
He say na Lagos he won't stay. Lagos, island, expensive land. Ona we are to tie here. So shall they do one for them? More listen.
Money for that project where they won't give you. Tell them say you will go Benin. Since you be Benin, you go fit take half plot of land. That time half plot of land they say.
Una hear the advice with this our mama gian. This our mama with the work for social. He say he can't tell beauty. This woman, one of the CSO, may carry the money where they want to give you. Go Benin, That time they say land 100,000. If na room and parlor may build, you go take the rest her business. Say wetin this our mama dey talk. And this our sister with 4 pikin, they sleep on completed building. They sleep on completed building. As where they take plank. Now use a plank block. Now my plaster. Help will not be monovio. But we bonia vi na where they sleep. I don't know whether they'll not change the house now. But woman, when he go house 2 years ago, the woman want go do something for us, and you know this beauty for Italy. Wait till you want go do before not one. When he give money, me they take off your children and wear. He say beauty start to cry. He can tell us, say before you come out, why you not tell us? That time me never get paper. Now me get paper when I call us. So the paper where they give you that time 6 months paper. If they say you take and walk, maybe for don't get passport now. Woman we say no feel listen to man. We say the man when they born for nobody. You think say you want carry the children, me take punish the man. At the end, now so it they happen. If you see there for Europe, you they take Pikin the punish up their papa. With time will reach where you don't reach 50 years. With you so you can't repent a woman. You can't repent. If you never know, may you know. So more listen to our mama. I go to push our solo for inside as we listen to our mama. Now, see this our mama now. Where they advise this woman, a grown-up old woman, they advise her. Emina can back your hair. Emina can back your hair. In your no gumia meze, ona gbeyo. As he do video, I be want start to beat the man. The first day, I don't they call Igbo people, make they come see you. As I did do that video, my mind tell me, say, hear from this man first. Now I call this woman, say, give me the man picture. He give me the man picture. Now I call the man. He not carry my phone. Daybreak, he can't carry my phone. The man can't judge. Let me know. One word where I take for inside the word where the man talk. Now be church. Where they destroy their house. No, they are winning our faith pastor no power we bona. I be pastor Yoruba. Yoruba mo bok pese we. Here why I we boko to Yoruba. Here do ya deceive we church. That one word now I take yesterday. I know say the man where people call me from Italy yesterday. Say the man no they do money. Sometimes now they always do. Sometimes Tafia me but see you there. Welcome. Say now sometimes they do money go they give them. Man we don't get 3 pikin for Europe with another woman. It is difficult. Maybe if they work now, if they receive 1,500, not 1,200, he go pay us 700. How much go remain? We don't survive. Now once we fracket eta, now go give these children money. If fracket eta, now go give these children money. Like me now, I did single now. I never marry. Now, when I feel they receive 1,200, I will still 300, go give my 3 boys. If I don't marry, maybe I know go give them again. That's the truth. Maybe once in a while, they can't greet me. If they want to come and say me 100, do yala moto. Because now their mother caused the problem. So, mona they look something they do. Women, mona they look something they do. Not be the time when a house want to take good, you now take on hand to destroy them. If you go to Benin today, you go see many landlady. Early morning, they stay for outside, for front of us. You know what they regret, what they regret. Who amen, what more if you run? Who amen, what's in if you know? Who amen, what's in if you know? Now the type of regret which this man they regret today. Anyway, more plan, more listen.
5,000, even 75,000. If na 2 rooms, 7 them built for you, you get children. If they ask for help, people go donate. This guy say make I dey talk my own. Na Lagos he wan stay. He wan use one voice.
Una hear na beauty. Our mama dey tell her now say, me go Benin. He say na Lagos he wan stay. He say the money wey they give am, me build 1 2 bedroom. He get children. This woman not take the advice. Oh. He say he wan stay for Lagos. Some people will never get land for Benin. They want to go be house for Lagos. That's why they seize their house that day. Yeah, me and one. They tell do yan go one. Yeah, me and one. Our abu egbe ikwo bon yo. Mo they go.
He say like the Lagos. He say all this igbati that is the parties where the party where they do for Lagos. All those ones still won't go enjoy. Now I tell her say as they talk now.
Una not see now. Una not hear wetin this our mama dey talk now. He say the party gbedu wey they do for Lagos. He want go enjoy for Lagos. This woman, the money where they carry follow this woman go Nigeria. Where they open store for now. This woman squander all of the finish. He go they use organic cream. The woman, he mama black, he papa black. I don't know where this woman for see yellowness. With organ or caro white. Or ya boligbe ya wa. Or ya mwegbe ya. No ya we. Ona ya we kia we ku. Inaga we iwi obana gati o ri jump ole yanga o ga wu oku dana mo listen.
That project na 4 years. They don't go give you money for hand if you dey Lagos. As I even come see am another day for outside. Now I tell her say, wetin be your problem? Abi that these people they push you make you go home. He say no be these people. Now I say why you no let me do am the way I first help one girl. Where dey Nigeria now?
God send Epa to this woman, this beauty. God send Epa to her, this woman where they talk today. Thank God say this woman say they are alive today. And this woman, yesterday, where they talk so, I talked to this old woman yesterday night. He said, "May beauty go do another video, may talk the truth. If he come back from Nigeria, he will carry the video, go give that same shusha. If they get help where they want to do, may they for help him." He say me, he not say me people not help the children. Say me people help the children, not be the woman. Say because of the children. This old woman, I say because of the children, make the people help the children. But he say may go do the truth, the real truth video, not be lie where they talk. So may go do the video. If he do, and if he come back from Nigeria, this is our mama dey Nigeria as they talk so. He did for Nigeria now. He say if he come back from Nigeria, may carry the video, may go press social because now social in the world follow. May go press it, whether they get help with or see to do for them. More they go.
That girl every time if you see who they come, if they buy something, come dash me say the way I take help her. Now say me want make you see they happy like that.
Person when he fair help this woman now, we saying they go out like that. Anytime when the person see say this that they come Europe, he go buy something for this woman. Say me see help her like that, he not listen to Ramo. He does the that badu where he want go they do for Lagos. Iya egbe. They can iya egbe this way fini ah. Now you want to complain the man. Only the beg when I want beg the man. I go see beg the woman when they marry for house. If the woman say, if the woman will marry for us know his salary. If he say 10 cup or not, they come out for the house, he not come out. If he say 10 cup or not come out for the house, he not come out. He not get what you want to do, madam. I will say beg this woman with this man, may they take off the children. May this woman take them as his own children. Now I be beg one beggar. But this woman, now the worst woman when I just see. Since when I dey waka for Europe. I say the woman will born for me bad. That one, number one, only with man. Only with man making on a I must say the truth. That one say good for where this woman dey. You know, see, I will have a big equal bomb. More listen to our mama. More listen. I don't blame this man again. Because woman did when he talk to this beauty, say, call your husband, come. I want to talk to your husband, say, make them remove your husband for his side. Jenogi, how you doing? What ni boku ni je? Ewon, emi ya je.
So, you don't know this at Gwenny, I work with Navi.
So, oh, a monora can help, who done. Yeah. Who done. When the system time, you know, the princess wear a morning. Now we up on the morning. If I can wear who done. In a master no player abandon on my yoga. In a master no player abandon on my yoga. Tamata ye.
Of course.
Oh, Bekiana, on a lily cooking away cook, on a Lugoya for you and on a Lue for me. With your minute by the webo. Una have you vaco what the bed of your back be. With my music, with my mew. If we going for the wedding, and I'm one word of your bay, you were the nana. Would you give Mutte not be video wonderful? Not bear for them. Okay.
There's, for Lagos now, they'll put your children for school. They'll give you as the open store for you. All now within 4 years. If you go Benin, that money for 4 years, it go reach you take establish well. This guy go tell the social, say, make them not let me come their meeting again because
this woman, this mama where they talk so, it is stand with social 24 hours. As if they advise this beauty, since you say Europe don't tire you, know if you suffer for Europe again. The money where they want give you so, it go reach it to establish for inside Benin. Beauty now come out, go tell the woman. You go tell social media, they don't let her, they come the meeting again.
me they try to force her to do what she not want to. Or not to her say for her back, if we do meeting, I dey always talk say make them tell her make she go Benin. Being say wetin be first they talk for her back.
You look at when the girl not go there, beauty not go there for inside the meeting. This woman go dey tell them now say, make they tell beauty make go Benin. Make they tell beauty make go Benin. And beauty now come on, go tell them now say, make they not let this woman the day for meeting again. See waiting this woman they tell her for back. Say make go Benin. Not be Benin where you say you not go. The first time beauty, not be the Benin you did today. Not be the Benin where you say you not go. Now you go to sleep on completed building with the 4 children. Woman when you come up for Italy, you know how much she give you for completed building where someone go rent another house. Wanna come up for them, not be children wake up for Europe, go follow you there for a year. All of you get that stay for the same house before you pack your load. Before you pack your load, come up for that house. Say you they go airport. You not tell any of them. Now inside church, now therefore no say you did this kind of giving, say you they go house. Woman when you get wicked hearts, no time with God, no they punish them. Your punishment now they receive so. Not be the children. The children no even more guy go.
Now she still tell them, say me they tell her. Now those people come tell her say they no fit say make her not date there because now be they in charge of mothers for Verona. So the day when this girl come sign all papers, before she sign, I still tell her, my sister, if they carry children go home, and they see you for future, say you go regret this your decision. One, do not tell your husband. You're supposed to tell your husband. If your husband sign her, maybe every month your husband will see the same small money. The one she dey talk say.
Eriyan do wepo. Man go follow the day for house. They'll go tell society they not get husband. Man go follow the day for inside house. They'll go tell society they not get husband. Not too many of them they do one more. But I don't want to go that side. More listen to our mama. The mother of the Edo women for Verona. When he tell you beauty, say in future you go regret. Not be the regret today. When I called this woman last night, person we give me number. When I call her last night, he said when I tell beauty, may go do another video. May say the truth. If beauty say the truth as everything happen, as anything advice her, he go carry the video. As in the advice her, when beauty go test social, say me they don't let her come again. See if you do that video, say the truth. He go give social the video, whether they get what they want to do. But this woman, a beauty, you think say you feel deceive your children for life. With time, this where they can't know the exactly truth. This woman sit their life when you want to talk. Who you think say they go beat you? He went up whoever this way. Your children go get that beat you for outside the door, so that you draw the proof for poverty. We could go mad to this date. Okuna, a more here where baby streets. Where I say.
She dey do shoro with her children. She dey lie. This girl, Comune di Verona, carry her load. Like say she be citizen because of her 4 children, all girls. And this girl knows say she herself get health issue. Her children, some of her children get health issue. That make me dey harm.
Ijo. Always some of the children get health. What is health now? No, I'm not a health when no do time health issue. Only egbe no matter abi. Only on health in or na okwo madam yo emi kan gbag yo. Wa bi egbe wa iga ise gboku na. Imagine wa we yo born more but yeah only ya show example ni ku ni keni adu enwa. Okay, we'll see. Okay. Mute udo. Hello.
The great Atiti one.
What off we be ogogwero.
If I see what here, one
We see eti waya no omo.
like you
Devni awe mu yo ba. Oya wa mu nene mi o wa gbo ohun ya fefefe. They not even. Okay. Even if you go on na kere omo no ma je school if you go that time agbon kere.
Oh, why you have a brother? Where is the problem? We put a equipment so the we put a hair is so I go so one. Yeah, Wafi, a lot of people in here, my law, if you have a winner, but equipment so you have to allow any money in Africa. When my done my yakin, why do I allow any man? If I look at okay, no man or Mammoth, I have poet. Now, we are here, we will be a car or two, no matter. It is better at a loss of what my idea there would not. Or we are wire, whatever. Where would you, my brother? Where are you? We're most of the we are your home, Royata. Okay, there will it all way. You don't marry man. Where you are here, we don't see Catali. Oh, well, I don't know. We are very soon. You know what I have we want to. No. I haven't never poetry. I will want to drum where I do. I don't work one. no problem. It is a way. No, kill Yariwa. We go here, we go here. Ira go to the money, the 4,000 euro near where I know. It's social way I know. Ira in Nigeria. My looking at my grandpa. I had 2,000 euro. I had not been having by one already. By your way. You better say, yes, so what? Nothing. Go, no go. All that's why waking up here. What are we in Nigeria?
Oh, Egani or Wui.
So the thing is that well, it's a at least our PPRE, the mother said, so you women for the railway put I got so far. No, it's what your panic, but I hope we are. Hope you went your panic direct by Baba. Yeah, no, but we all less where you worry. You might get it.
Davio, oh, when I barely met the Open police, he ain't give up women, but him the idiot phone that I went to police. Any just any not go where you lay. Any just any not go where you lay. You can't go make one with your police. A police will have it. Any just say me got a dog bag around here got one back on him. On our watching back one way at the when he had the police and your man no come over you. I will advise in your area, you know. Master, if mommy go and die, you dig go in me, you are pushing bossing back. Don't you go me or what we are in Luane? Oh, yes, so none of the police in the man. Even a mocha one in a mocha one for naked years on my mom. Oh, in the Itala would only need. Wherefore I get gear, I queen on Lawa, whenever what the Equin on Lawa, where I where's my brother? Mudia, our very not damn even stand out at Muto Winnie. Hello, sister Marewa. What out? Hello. Omagwan. Okay. Not bad. Okay, hello. Nimwe ture. Avec wood down where we go. What got down, Mister?
I said, if never, not just go like that. Stay Italy. Now so it dey be. If you want go on for like 6 months, come back. Now say like me, if I still say I tired to stay, I go come home, come spend 3 months. Before that 3 months reach, I don't recover myself. I go back. This girl not here. She come sign all the paper that will take her to Lagos. The another sister where they in charge of her case, na Yoruba lady. Now that Yoruba lady, na first come tell me.
My people of the world, we don't need to blame this man at all. This man, we don't need to blame him. And I beg we go beg this man with the wife when he marry so. Who don't know women? So as some women they behave. Now they blame men. I say this character of this woman, it lead to where this man wait till they flirt for us. We go to why they talk and say every day a character uniwoku ozodo amebo. One equal no new wa all you could stay all your pia stay you wa. Ede no pia so ami wa me no magba. Ede no pia ni feel you we wo wa. O must pretend ogu we arriva we call a fool. Look at this woman now today. But when the mother table, all that for where the husband yesterday, he gets on board where his husband talked yesterday. I don't want to analyze them. Because of the children, now I don't want to analyze the world. So take the man, this woman go stay, this wicked woman, when he not tell the husband before he deport, before he go tell to show me the car and go house. Now he go tell the children maybe they cause their father. You go tell the children they cause their father. It be like the first time when my Pikin go in mama house. Different story now I come hear. But never the way we see the weight. I know why they put them for some matter. People they come in, you don't put them. No, I know what I do. That the premium man not married to bad woman for life. A woman married to bad woman, he go run the man, go run and down to square zero. No, listen.
What is she they won't do when me take enter her project? Conte they talk to her. Me with that Yoruba lady come talk for back say, these people for Lagos, me not trust them. Make them not go for straight this girl. Now the lady say, he go involve her family, her mother inside. Make her eye reach down everything they want to do for this girl. They can't really carry house for this girl. Come open store for down of the house.
No, listen.
The apartment they give this girl, they furnish am. The store where they give am, they buy goods, even cartons of things where they never bring out. As me dey inquisitive reach, when we dey talk with them for video, I tell them all those cartons me wan see whether things dey inside or na empty cartons. Because it's say things dey inside and the store full. E no reach like 4 months. That mama of that my friend come call say, this una friend, she no dey hear word o. He go carry 2 of her brothers come stay with her. He say he come tell am say they come visit you make them go or wetin. He say no, they come stay with her. Now he say you don't start your own life. Make you first get on with wetin you dey sell. If you don dey profit well, then you fit bring your brothers. Because this ones now, they don't get contribution where they want to do for you economically. Rather, they want to they eat under you. It not make you know help your people, but you for stand first. This girl not here. Until when 4 years expire. As the 4 years expire, that sister will be Yoruba lady, come still beg them, make them give this girl additional 2 years, which is 6 years. She no fit still get on. Benin, when she say she no dey go, say if she go Benin, they fit harm her and her children. Now she can't go later. After some time, I come see say she did one program of Mama Gladys. Now I come call into it. Now I say they tell the truth.
This our mama where they talk now. This our mama where they for social. Mama Verona. We want try to position this our sister. Where he had no take. He don't feel this woman don't feel go another platform. Madame Gladys for Italy don't feel go there before. They see Epa. They see Epa. Because this woman has expensive life. As they did for Nigeria, they need expensive life. Where they live. Some women, you know, she has a plenty mouth now. We not see her for video as a paint. Oh, barrel, big leg. Enough if buy pure water. May they say, may they take off Pikin. They break all your plenty rock. Or you will like that. As some lady they do one for Benin now. Some lady wait by their husband now. Wait they go break. You about to tell a by me now. You both you with me. Who even what move if you're not. Who even what was now. Who even was saying again. And you could not be doing. Here, while you go get your woman on the of your many are you wow. Now you cause the problem where you take carry Pikin go house. You know find something, even though pure water, chassis water, they say for along the road. Or legwa le help here, help in where you help in or where we go no one die in the other help in way. Where you west your log and give buweni. That's where we will be banning so like the way completed building where you who will me man be happy with. Anyway, why you go nowhere We ask when Kibeko. They give you money to start business for Lagos. And this woman advising me to go Benin. You say Benin on the go. Not be the Benin you can't go now. It cannot win a year though. The sun, the yam, no bolukoko. Can listen do. When my way year do wona bu wodi. This Mama Verona, when he advise you, know say you no go Benin, but not be the Benin day to day now. Now so you see be some women where they go dey advise. Where they for marriage house today, they go dey advise them make they stay for husband house. Once one boy go dey deceive them for corner, don't think that the boy better pass. Now so many of them will regret when time reach. And many don't they regret when they don't know. If you are busy at the time when something want better for these couples, for Italy, now this woman take carry a barrier to enter the house. This man try. This man we married don't get 3 Pikin. It is say me married is 2000 since 9 years. Now me back for those born 3 Pikin. If this man they see treatment for Italy, and I don't know whether he get treatment for us, he get treatment again. Me have a 2 boyo. I have a 2 boyo. Usa about doesn't know. Okunu awari gun evine owa bi okpa evine. Wicked woman, lie woman, evil woman. You want to tell the world, you say that the social one collect Pikin for your hand. That's why the husband talked yesterday. If you want to need help, no involve me for his side. The husband to with that word. He no gay, whatever. He no gay. Mama. Or whether need the help, no you way in nonsense no can do in money and go on. What I know there. The man see they cover many things, say they want help the children, make they help the children.
Is it because the money and go on?
Say no one talk. When we see this video the first day, I dey blame the man. I don't know say this some of these women are the thing and scatter their house. Mujaneje, very Medinania. Maybe last 2 years in here, in us when winner, in our assistance in the womb. Dating me, you could carry that David Medomie Beni, it mean 1,400 or 1,300, 1,200. He pay go by 800. A massive more a moyari by any huh? Oma say, but that's the reality. Me say the blame Okpiana because Okona see your logo, no buy do no logo at the end. Okay, I come so sha. Oma come on the phone. Okona na be body. Where women or do am gba biomo. Enya bi ko na da claim uyan pa nyamo na. O imagine oku where we bu ogbenira. Egbeni oda fun ebe ogbenira yebi. Egbe ko we ni ana we na okpia. Una ya ati gboko ni owo kan we level 1. Wagata mi ho, wagata mi jima. Madam Emmanuel ari you boni money yan you boni money but uwe ba gbo won mo o mama no temata ma we ya temata ma we e na te kaputi e we wa him and kaputi I don't want we otun we promise we amula we but when go o si ologo ma ya fe but iyan we o ma ga we bu analu won ya boni mo wa but gbo won ga river old woman. You are still very young. 13 years ago, he believed where you might kill myself, no kill myself now. Or one guy no mudi azevije, no ga abu ode, madam yoy. You did not listen. You did not listen. He doesn't care.
Oh, you went to your school. I bet you are not dear with my mother, son, and you matter. Because what you took back, why I can put Jamie, who do I descend on you? I got another more idea with you.
Damn you. Eh, you might go money sponsor on a big. Eh, don't get okay. They told you not the window, piano, window, piano, my dear Webo. Oh, Jano, piano, my dear Webo. Because of piano came my dear Webo, or my bio man whenever, why I moved Emula Webo. Where I walk, we are working on Hano, why my bio man Emula Webo.
Of course.
Or I bio man when you don't answer weaponize who don't well be your name. Okay.
Of what you do and everything will happen before you go home. The help and there, you know, again another person bring her out. When they go help and finish, whether she no get sense of making business, me no know. And she don't take for Nigeria. If they wonder me say this kind of person go see they come and they say na so he deport himself for Italy. Her video no dey let show to people. If to say she dey talk true, me I for fit take that video, send am to those people say see wetin I talk that time. This girl still need help. They fit find out the way they will take send money to her. Say when she return to Italy, she don't sign herself off. And for the husband side, I don't know the husband. I only spoke with the husband for phone. That period where they made the decision, I just called the husband and said, "And now you be guilty, husband." He said yes. Now you be the papa of the children. He said yes. That boy, I believe, say now Agbo boy. Now that boy will be. I don't know how for I. Now I say, Beauty tell you what he want to. He said he not tell him anything. Now say if he reach house, ask him. That was the last time I spoke with that boy. Before me come.
Una hear what our mama talk now. Our mama see call Beauty husband, this Agbo boy. Say Beauty tell you what you want to say, not tell and say if you reach ask me, ask her. Before woman, we get for Pikin for man, go me Susha, see me the carry and go house. He not tell his husband. He not tell his husband, we get for Pikin for. Now Susha, person where they work follow Susha, I call his husband. Say me ask his wife question. What would they reason together? What would not this man not get blame? Forget say that they quarrel for the house or that they quarrel. Now husband and wife house, now they big quarrel put. No one relationship will go come out for this was in with the husband or the quarrel. You know they. Before now, the same way they drive their husband come off for a house for Europe, with the call police for their husband. The same way now, you know if you drive your husband to wait for a house, the money where they want give him for social, make carry go he call it high. The money at high. Now he carry load, he carry go house. And since when this woman they come out for live video, you know what talk exactly the truth, what it happen. In a lie, they feed us. And this woman, now so I believe saying that the same lie waiting they feed the whole world. Now say they feed the Pikin for his house. He not tell the Pikin exactly the truth. He not tell the children. I believe one day say if this man will call the children one day sit down, explain to them. Yesterday now, as person called this woman yesterday, he tell her say they talk true to Okuna Ladi and Ogwane. Is this woman want talk? He say me they don't mind that woman. Because this woman was a witness what it happened. The way they go me social. This woman not feel quiet. Where you call the tail light, the feed. It even talking for this video. I say me do exactly the video what it happened. Me go tell social. You not see bad women. Bad woman, not be bad women, bad woman. You are not group the rest woman. We know say the one way worse past this one day for Europe, we know. It get why God push you go through way for house. izegbayato izegbayanya nyima gbona o le kirikiri wo de me dan o gba kian mi ni ra me ta mame. I know the competition with anybody. If you be you we ma bege yi igbe adi adan ni wa re ki awo edo be na gwana iya we hotel we street iya we ba ni yan ya bole okudan okudan oje klimi ya bole gbe ya wa edede ki o ma